Now we have to dig into a local forecast that's going to get very active. Take a look at this. A lot of low-level moisture. As I mentioned in first weather, what we're seeing in mist and drizzle and light showers out there, a lot of it is not even being picked up by the radar because it is so low to the ground. 7-day forecast at the bottom of your screen, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, radar, satellite, earthquake, and tropical tracking, all for free with the KSBY Microclimate Weather app. It will show you what we're seeing here. Rain in Northern California. And yes, there is actually rain, mist, and drizzle happening around the Central Coast right now. It's all associated with that atmospheric river that is hugging this little stream here along the coast. But more significant rain is still on the way for Saturday afternoon. This is going to be a brief frontal passage for a few hours, going to get very, very interesting. But by later Saturday night and Sunday, we're actually dry with more rain arriving later on Monday into Tuesday. And that's part of a string of systems that's going to start 2023. Here's a look at what's happening in terms of the high-resolution modeling here. A lot of low cloud cover, mist, drizzle, all of that being picked up by the model. But again, there's the frontal passage. Peak time for us, probably somewhere between 11 and 3 o'clock across our area, moving out by 5 and 6 o'clock through Santa Barbara County. A lot of low-level moisture hanging around. It's going to take some time to clear out the skies on Sunday. And again, another system later Monday into Tuesday. Half an inch to an inch and a half, up to 2 in a few spots for this system. Models vary a little bit about where to put the hot spots, but I do think that's a pretty good range for the Central Coast. Another big factor will be winds. We're going to see some wind gust potential past 30 and 40 miles per hour for the event. So wind advisory for the Central Coast tomorrow, high wind warning for the higher elevations, surf advisory 9 to 14 feet out there, and statewide it's a lot of rain as well. There are flood watches in place for Monterey County and much of Central and Northern California. And again, it's just part of a series of storms that will continue here. So the second a storm, the 5th, 6th a storm, another one on the way the 10th, possibly the 12th as well. So you get the idea, a lot of rainfall. I would say over the next couple of weeks, you're looking at anywhere up to 6 inches of rainfall. So Climate Prediction Center going with that in their outlooks. Our extended outlook looks like this. You can see Monday rainfall and then more rain next week, especially as we wind down the week. More later on. We're back after this.